Hey, besties! So, if you're a teen like me trying to lose weight without starving, hating yourself, or doing boring workouts, welcome to the Ultimate Glow Up Guide. This isn't about being skinny, it's about feeling confident, getting toned, and building habits that actually make you feel good. Let's break down what works, what's toxic, and how to actually glow up for real. Section 1. Real weight loss. Alright, real talk. Losing weight as a teen is different. We're still growing, so no crash diets, okay? First tip, don't skip meals. Skipping just messes up your energy and makes you more likely to binge later. Eat more whole foods. I'm talking protein like eggs, chicken, beans, and tofu. Add veggies, fruits, and whole grains like oats and rice. Water is underrated. If you're drinking soda or juice every day, switch to water. That alone can help drop extra weight. Get sleep, 8 to 10 hours. If your body's tired, your cravings get wild and your energy crashes. And move. Not crazy intense gym workouts, just consistent movement daily. Even walking makes a difference. Section 2. Aesthetic workout plan. Okay, now for the fun part. The aesthetic workout plan. Think toned arms, strong legs, snatched waist, without stressing over perfection. Here's the weekly breakdown. Do each day for around 30 minutes. If you're a beginner, start with 15 to 20 and build up. Day 1, upper body, push focus. Push-ups, 3 sets of 10. Shoulder taps, 3 sets of 20. Tricep dips, 3 sets of 12. Plank, hold for 30 seconds, x2. Day 2, lower body, glutes plus legs. Squats, 3 sets of 15. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 per leg. Glute bridges, 3 sets of 20. Wall sit, 3 rounds of 30 seconds. Day 3, cardio plus core jog, dance or jump rope, 15 minutes. Russian twists, 3 sets of 20. Leg raises, 3 sets of 15. Bicycle crunches, 3 sets of 20. Day 4, upper body, pull focus. Inverted rows or resistance bands, 3 sets. Bicep curls, use bottles if no weights, 3 sets of 12. Plank to push up, 3 sets of 10. Dead hangs, if you have a bar. Hold as long as you can. Day 5, stretch plus recovery. Do yoga, walk outside, or follow a stretching video. Keep it light. Recovery equals growth. Day 6, full body. HIIT, high energy. 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Jump squats, mountain climbers, high knees, burpees. Day 7, rest. Just chill. Your body needs rest to actually glow up. Section 3. Motivation plus final tips. Remember, your body is not a project to fix. It's your home. So treat it with love. Start small. Maybe you drink more water today, do a few squats tomorrow, and sleep a little better the next day. That's still progress. Track how you feel, not just how you look. Take pictures if you want. But don't obsess over the scale. You're not late. You're not behind. Your glow-up timeline is yours. If you're ready to start your glow-up journey, drop a day 1 in the comments. Smash that like button if this helped. And don't forget to subscribe because we're building a whole community of strong, confident teens who lift each other up. And hey, want my free meal ideas or want me to drop a 30-day glow-up challenge? Let me know below. Your glow-up era starts now. Let's go!